Leading off the newscast tonight is the emergency landing of a small plane on I-40-75 in Knoxville this afternoon. Police say the pilot told them the plane stalled during the flight and the pilot was forced to make an emergency landing on I-40 eastbound just past the Paper Mill Road bridge. Not only is that one of the busiest portions of the interstate in Knoxville, it's also one of the busiest in East Tennessee. Here's a look at the TDOT SmartWay cameras right after the plane landed at 2:30 this afternoon. And on the right is what it looks like now. The plane was a fixed-wing, single-engine Zenith 750 model. It was towed away to a storage facility. You can see now on the right the highway is back to normal.